The strawberry is better than the peach. The strawberry is like a strawberry margarita with alcohol. It's so good. But the peach is just, it's good. It's got chunks of peach in it, but it's good. But this is better. If you're gonna choose, get the strawberry. I didn't see any other flavors though. And they're only like 60 calories. 60 calories. That is so good. Mmm. Tart and sweet. You see, it's like there's like bonus. Mmm. Excuse me? I didn't need a root canal. Are you like me? You have to bite your popsicle. I can't just suck on it. Ew, no. How do you eat your ends? Do you mind? I'm right here. My date's here. He's early. Mmm. Mmm.